Was talking with the moon last night. The moon told me something about the sun, and I told something about you.
You think I was going to leave you in the dark? And like, what was his dhikr at that moment? And there was a prelude to it. Because on the way back, we understand Ta'if, it wasn't just like a 10-minute stroll from Mecca. And that was a journey. Reached us that every single form, every single approach to Allah, one receives something different in different forms. The multiplicity of the types and the forms and the modes of dhikr. Those that remember Allah. Charity given in absolute secret and nobody knows, compared to Lumi is sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Cloak me, cover me, he was shaking sallallahu alayhi wa sallam from the effects of wahy. Or do more. And recite the Quran in a beautiful recitation. People may have that. Allah alam. That's not what's meant by the ayah. None of the people that I've met of my shuyukh have had that, and they're people they pray all night. They don't have that. No. And typically just use a shawl or something like this. Now, is there any flashes, any glimpses, any lights? No, of course not. But it's a reality. That's what happens. As a nur, so much of our depression and sadness and moodiness and grimness and grayness and just can be solved just qiyam al-layl. Get up, two rakats, pray to Allah, ask Allah, see how it changes your day.
Was talking with the moon last night. The moon told me something about the sun, and I told something about you.
تشهد الأيام عنا